We've all been there, chugging down a protein shake that feels like drinking flavored chalk. It's time to put an end to that. Protein smoothies don't have to be boring or gritty. With the right ingredients, you can make smoothies that are both delicious and packed with the protein you need. Here are 5 fun and tasty protein smoothie recipes that will make you look forward to your post-workout treat, minus the chalky texture. 1. Tropical Paradise Protein Smoothie. Transport yourself to a beachside vacation with this tropical smoothie that's bursting with flavor and packed with protein, perfect for a refreshing morning boost or post-workout snack. Ingredients: 1 scoop vanilla protein powder, 2 cup frozen pineapple, 1/2 cup frozen mango, 2 banana, 2 cup coconut water or almond milk for creaminess, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, optional for extra fiber, a handful of spinach. You won't taste it, promise. Instructions: blend all the ingredients together until smooth. If it's too thick, add more coconut water or almond milk. Enjoy with a straw for that island feel. 2. Peanut Butter Chocolate Dream. If you love the combination of peanut butter and chocolate, this smoothie will feel like dessert in a glass. But it's healthy and protein-packed, perfect for satisfying sweet cravings post-workout. Ingredients: 1 scoop chocolate protein powder, 1 tablespoon natural peanut butter or almond butter, 1 frozen banana, 1 tablespoon cocoa powder, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, 1 tablespoon ground flax seeds, optional for added omega-3s. Instructions: blend all ingredients together until creamy. Adjust the consistency by adding more almond milk if needed. Top with a sprinkle of cocoa powder or crushed peanuts for extra flair. 3. Berry Blast Protein Smoothie. This berry smoothie is packed with antioxidants and is a vibrant, refreshing way to get your protein fix without any chalky aftertaste. It's a great choice for breakfast or a light snack. Ingredients: 1 scoop vanilla or berry-flavored protein powder, 2 cup frozen mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, 1/2 cup Greek yogurt for extra creaminess and protein, 1/2 cup unsweetened almond milk or any milk of your choice, 1 tablespoon honey or maple syrup, optional for sweetness. Instructions: blend all ingredients until smooth and creamy. If you prefer a thicker consistency, add more frozen berries. Garnish with a few fresh berries on top and enjoy. 4. Green Power Protein Smoothie. This green smoothie is perfect for those who want to sneak in some extra greens without sacrificing flavor. With the addition of sweet fruits and creamy avocado, you won't even taste the spinach. Ingredients: 1 scoop vanilla or unflavored protein powder, 1/2 avocado for creaminess, 1/2 banana, 2 cup frozen mango, 1 handful of spinach or kale, 2 cup coconut water or almond milk, 1 tablespoon hemp seeds, optional for extra protein and healthy fats. Instructions: blend all ingredients until smooth and vibrant green. The avocado adds a rich, creamy texture while the mango and banana bring sweetness. You'll never know you're drinking a green smoothie. 5. Cinnamon Roll Protein Smoothie. Craving the comforting flavors of a cinnamon roll, but without the sugar crash? This smoothie tastes like a treat but is loaded with protein and healthy fats to keep you satisfied. Ingredients: 1 scoop vanilla or cinnamon flavored protein powder, 2 cup oats, soak them in water for a few minutes to soften, 1/2 frozen banana, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 tablespoon almond butter, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions: blend everything together until you have a smooth, creamy consistency. If you're feeling extra fancy, top with a dash of cinnamon or a swirl of almond butter for that true cinnamon roll vibe. Conclusion: these protein smoothies are proof that getting your daily protein doesn't have to be boring or chalky. Whether you're craving something tropical, chocolatey, or green, these recipes offer delicious options that deliver the protein you need in a fun and tasty way. So, next time you're prepping a post-workout shake, skip the chalky textures and blend up one of these flavor-packed smoothies.